देखिए दोनों मेरे हीरोज हैं। क्यों मेरी बैंड बजा रहे हो?
सनी सर यार, अब इतना अजीब सवाल
बजी हुई यार मेरी।
ऑब्वियसली सर जीते हैं, मतलब ये भी कोई सवाल हुआ? आपने ये देखा
हरमन
है?
खुद
ये देखा आपने?
जाएगा। हाँ, ये मैंने कहा ना, ये लस्सी वाला बाइसेप है, ये वे प्रोटीन वाला बाइसेप है।
हम लोग लो कार्ब्स, हाई प्रोटीन,
हाँ, लो सॉल्ट, दिस इज मक्खन एंड पराठा एंड लाइक।
अब मुझे डर लग रहा है, थोड़ा दूर हो जाता।
नो, मैं एक वाकया बताती हूँ। सीन जब हम लोग ये शूट कर रहे थे तो सनम गॉट वेरी एक्साइटेड। तो सनम टोल हरमन कि हरमन थोड़ा सा यार तुम इमोशन लेके आओ यार, फोर्स लगाओ सनी जी, फोर्स मतलब रियली पंजा लड़ाइए। तो हरमन ने स्टूड अप, इट्स पागल हो गया, मेरा हाथ टूट जाएगा। जीतेंगे तो वही, मेरा हाथ टूट जाएगा। नहीं एक्टिंग करते हैं हम लोग। सो आई मीन ऑब्वियसली in terms of strength, we've never really made them do panja, but I think they've both done a fabulous job with the film in my characters, and I can't thank Sunny and Harman enough for the amount of effort and the amount of love that they've shown in this film, really.
Sunny, you have worked with...
Harry ji and Harman?
Naturally, I hope there is, yaar. He's my dad, yaar. Please बोल देना कि बहुत similarity है.
I think they both are very dedicated to the job, basically. So obviously, physically, the father-son will have the similarity, but otherwise, from profession-wise, yeah, they're very dedicated.
Sunny, you have worked with Shilpa when she was actress. Now she's a producer. So what changes you find in her, and what was the experience like?
I want to hear this.
क्या पूछा आपने? As a producer and as an actress?
Yes.
What changes?
Yeah.
Like she said, she's understood now what the problems were. So she's, I mean, now if I'll produce a film, she'll enjoy doing it more.
Was I a difficult actress?
No, you were not.
I was not, no.
That's funny. That's not what he said to me on set, by the way. No.
अरे यार पता नहीं, मैंने सोचा नहीं है इसके बारे में। सोचने का इतना टाइम नहीं मिलता। आई हैव जस्ट बीन सो बिजी विद सो मेनी थिंग्स। लेकिन मैं अपनी जो क्रिएटिविटी है या जो मेरा ताल्लुक़ है इंडस्ट्री के साथ, वो मेरा जारी है। मैं फिल्में बनाऊं, मैं टीवी करूं, तो मेरे ऑडियंसेस के साथ मेरा कनेक्ट है। तो सेल्यूलॉइड के लिए थोड़ा सा वक्त लगेगा मुझे, बिकॉज माई सन इज स्टिल वेरी स्मॉल, मे बी अनदर 1.5 years at least. Yeah.
Sunny Paji. Sunny Paji.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
Okay,
sure. The best film will win. So that's that. And I think हमारी इंडस्ट्री में बहुत जगह है, और audiences, we're a nation of 1 billion people, and we're a movie loving nation. तो जो तीनों फिल्में हैं, there are times where 4 films do well. तो जिस फिल्म में वो मेटल है वो ज़्यादा दूर तक चलेगी, एंड आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ डिश क्या हूँ। I'm not the Supreme Court, so I can't really give an opinion. I think I have respect for the judiciary, and I think you should have the same. So I don't think it's my place to answer that question. So we will go with whatever the Supreme Court orders, and that's that. I don't know. I haven't seen the news, darling. So I've been very busy with my film.
I think we should keep our questions to basically the film.
Yeah.
Because that's what we are here for.
Yes. It's... No, I think we've cast every character as the film required. And Sanam, when he brought the script to me, like I've said before, with due respect to my entire cast and crew, my script is my hero. And I think Sunny also did the film because he really liked the script. He liked his role. And I can't think of anyone else but Sunny to have played Lakwa. I can't think of anyone else in the place of Vicky Karthus, because I needed somebody who, you know, had a struggle to make it and become Vicky Karthus from Vicky. So I needed a boy who obviously didn't have an action image. और हमारी इंडस्ट्री में बहुत कम एक्टर हैं जिन्होंने एक्शन की नहीं है. So for me, Harman, had that hunger to want to do something different, and he really worked very hard on the look. Aisha, again, I needed a practically new girl, or somebody who didn't have screen age, who could have that chemistry with Harman, and that's why Aisha. She was my 99th screen test, and she was a stylist who became a heroine. So they've all fit into the cast. It was all destiny, and I made the film. I didn't think that मैं picture बनाऊंगी, or then I set out to hear scripts. I heard Dishkiyan, and then I said, चलो production शुरू करते हैं. Let's start. Let's make this film.